What's happening with you YouTubers? What's up? What's going down? I hope everybody is good. It's been a couple of days since I dropped a vid. So this video right here is going to be straight, raw, rugged, uncut, no editing. Alright? This video is just to show you what I picked up for the wife. Yes, for the wife. You got to pick up things for the wife. If you got to be married and happy one day, you got to put it down for the wife, man. And this is a dope pickup. Dope, dope, dope. Gotta show it. As you know, one of my last, was it my last video? Maybe the next to last video. One of those videos, I showed you my cop of the blue Just Done's. The first Just Done to come out. So this shoe I'm about to show y'all today is a shoe that my wife has been wanting. And I finally gave in. But she's one happy camper. She's very happy. I'm glad I can make her happy. Bam! You see the box. You already know I gave it away when I said Just Done. The colorway is just dope, man. The colorway is dope. The box is dope. You see her size, 6.5Y. A lot easier for me to copy for her. I would like to have this colorway as well, but I don't feel like paying $2,500 to $3,000 for a pair of shoes. So, moving on. Pulling out the pair. Boom! Just Done Arctic Orange. I think it's Arctic Orange. Yeah, Arctic Orange 2s. Now y'all know, if you watch Sneaker Editions and follow along with me, which I appreciate by the way, y'all know orange is my favorite color. So these things are straight fire. I don't really see the orange in these things. These things are pink, man. Let's just call it what it is. Pink, flamingo, aka Pink Dolphin, Pink Panther shoes. Yeah. These things are dope. Just like my pair of shoes of the Just Done's I already reviewed. These have that awesome quality. Man, just great quality, man. You see the stitching on the shoe. These things are straight Lego. Fire, man. Fire. These things are badass, dog. For real. I mean, I'm all out of character with these shoes. I want these shoes for myself. Great pickup for the wife. She's happy. She's going to make a trip to Arizona with her family, so she'll be rocking these. She's got the jacket with it. I also bought her the purse to go with them. So she's actually, yeah, she's spoiled. She's spoiled, man. It's actually a backpack. But, spoiled, man. Definitely spoiled, man. You gotta spoil the wife, though. You gotta spoil the wifey. So, these are dope. The suede, just like my twos, the suede is dope. So when she starts to wear these, let me bring my pair down. When she brings out hers, this small foot, it's so cute. I'll bring out this monster. Yeah, the original twos. Now I will say this: my quality on the toe box, well, on the what would you call this? The quilted leather, if you will, it's much more plush. These, now don't get me wrong, these things are soft. They're plush. These things are straight, yeah, fire, plush, man. But these things right here are just, it's just something about it, man. It's got it. And the suede soft on these two, but it's not as soft as these, man. These, the original Just Done, I guess he just put more, they put more in, you know, work into this shoe and gave it that quality. Since it was after that purse that's $5,000, by the way. But, down for the wife. That's it, man. Y'all comment, like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about these kicks and these kicks. If you like the Just Done 2s, I know some of y'all didn't like the Just Done 2s. Hey, your opinion. You rock what you like. Big Mike liked them, so I'm going to rock them. My wife liked these, we're going to rock them. Just Done 2 on the same day, you never know. Might go to the sneak come with these. You never know, man. You never know. Yeah, till the next video, man. We got some more early vids coming. We got some more heat coming. Y'all stay tuned, man. Sneaker Edition. If you're rocking with us, we appreciate it. We're definitely getting up there in subscriber rating. We appreciate it. Y'all keep on subscribing. Keep on staying tuned. We're going to fill you up with vids. Peace.